Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to earn crowns in Duolingo. So let's have a look now. Earning crowns in Duolingo is a way to demonstrate your progress and mastery in different lessons within a language course. Start by completing the lessons in each section of a language course. As you finish each lesson, you will earn a crown for that specific section. Revisit completed lesson through the Strength Skills option to reinforce your learning and earn additional crowns. This helps you retain knowledge and prevent skills from decaying over time. Progressing through levels. As you continue to complete more lessons and exercise within a section, you will earn more crowns and progress to higher levels in that specific skill. Regularly practicing and completing lessons helps maintain and increasing your crown levels, and completing new lessons, stories or challenges in different sections of the language course will earn you additional crowns. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.